तो अभी अभी से माय नेम का रिएक्शन करके आया हूँ मैं, जो हिंदी वाला था। अब कर रहे हैं हम इंग्लिश वाला। तो मेरे ख्याल से हिंदी का ही उसने इंग्लिश बनाया होगा, या फिर हो सकता है शायद थोड़ा डिफरेंट भी किया हो, आई डोंट नो। सुन के पता चलेगा। Welcome to my channel, it's Sean Says, and if you're watching me for the very first time, I would love it if you hit the subscribe right now और कर दिख रही है बजाओ so you get connected. You don't miss any video from my channel. तुम्हें लगा वैसे मैं रैप गॉड है। Yo boys, we not wasting time. Say my name, yo.
All my life been an underdog, but when I write feels like a thunderstorm.
Oh yeah.
When the beat go bump, it go feel like I brung a bomb. Set fire to the game, they go fear me, trying to compare, but they ain't really coming near me. Talking shit on the Instagram lives, they be lying in these lines through the grapevine. Say my name, yeah. I made this, you rap WrestleMania.
Oh damn.
They were handing out friendship bands, and I came in, click, click, bang. Now they like, damn, what is this behavior? You can pray to your Lord and Savior. Brigadier of this rap game, killing whack names while I tap dance right up in the graveyard. Sending me subliminals, but I'm the pinnacle. Leave them critical in physical pain. Krishna's mythical, clinical lame shit. I just bang the same syllables with blood on my name. I remain a criminal, atypical. I be busting like an AK. Been dropping rappers since I was up in the 8th grade. In a room with a cheap mic and some egg crate. A vet keeping rappers in check like it's a payday. Hear everything they be saying about me. Just don't bring me up if it ain't about me. You know how this reality go. If you've been on a reality show, then you ain't gonna stop me. I've been doing it, killing, I've been in it. I've been leaving the web like infinite. I'll kill 10 rappers in about 10 minutes. I ain't fenced it and I'm just doing what I intended. So say my name, yo. Say my name, yo. Say my name, yo. I know this kid of me can't really say my name though. See me, they looking like a lame joke. They be talking that shit, fuck your fame, bro. I make it rain metaphors, get your raincoat. People out here changing colors like a rainbow. I'm down with the speakers on blaring. Ain't about the money, I really don't care then. Pussy looking at me, I tell them stop staring. We need the cool rappers, I really can't bear them. Assassin with the rhymes, I'm blasting when it's time though. Indian top 5, then you know I'm in the convo. Eyes full of fear when I'm here, you know Krishna's real. I be bringing them war like Palestine though. Ain't hit my prime, bro, fact right there. And I be on the grind like I ain't signed yet. Straight out of M Street, never show the left cheek. Weak rappers in the game thinking I'm a nightmare. Fight fair, but I don't act that cool. Look at my captions, my hashtag too. I be in the booth in a hazmat suit. Make them drop like Corona, make the NASDAQ do. Sentimental rappers be getting independent better. Trying to come up with a better response. I make them matter every time I'm ahead of these rappers. They getting dead, I'm getting hotter than Nevada. I'm just trying to get my bread out. Straight out of the north side, but I'ma reside right beside South Delhi. That's my barrio. Where's homicide on the roadside? No cosign. I just load mine amigo, then it's adios. I'm a straight heavyweight on the mic, son. Giving them an earful like I'm Tyson. They be doing sucker shit like a Dyson. If you want trouble, say my name and invite some. Say my name, yo. Say my name, yo.
Like Tyson.
Say my name, yo. I know they're scared of me, can't really say my name though. Say my name, yo.
Say my name, yo. Say my name, yo.
I know they're scared of me, can't really say my name though.
ओ भाई कान में बोल के गया मेरे मालूम है ना।
Say my name, yo.
Wow, this was cool. हिंदी का ही अनुवाद उसने इंग्लिश में किया है। और मतलब मजाक के उसमें बोल रहा हूँ कि कृष्णा ना अपने इंस्टाग्राम पे लाइव आके बोल सकता है कि भाई पहले तो मैंने गाना इंग्लिश में बनाया था, लेकिन फिर मैंने सोचा कि एमवे के भी समझ में आ जाए, तो इसलिए फिर गाने को मैंने हिंदी में ही बनाया। अब जोकिंग, लेकिन एक बात देखनी पड़ेगी, वीडियो शॉर्ट्स चलो दोनों के थोड़े बहुत लिए होंगे, लेकिन इंग्लिश वाले भी उसने वर्ड्स बोले हैं। तो मेरे ख्याल से जो हिंदी में भी कुछ इंग्लिश वर्ड थे, उसके अलावा भी कुछ शॉर्ट लिए होंगे जो इंग्लिश वाला जो उसने रैप किया उसके अकॉर्डिंग भी, तो डबल काम पड़ा होगा। और मुझे ये रीजन जानना है कि भाई ये तो मैंने मजाक में बोला, लेकिन क्या रीजन था कि दोनों में बनाया, इंग्लिश में भी और हिंदी में भी? व्हाई मैन, व्हाई सो? क्योंकि लाइक इंग्लिश ऑडियंस बाहर की पीपल के लिए बनाया है या यहाँ के लोग तो हिंदी समझेंगे? तो व्हाट वाज द मैटर कृष्णा? वी वांट टू नो व्हाई वाज दिस मेड इन इंग्लिश? प्लीज let us know. I will also continue this in English now because if you are able to understand the lyrics of Krishna, though his lyrics are not just English with some different references, different meaning and a speed, so if you are understanding that, you would be able to understand this too. And I'm sure that you must be watching other reaction channels too who would have been reacted to this track of Krishna Say My Name. You know, just for fun, I ask you guys to speak to your reaction channels if they reply you. I do reply to my people. If they reply you, tell them, ask them that if they could do a video in English. I mean, just for fun, man. Tell them that it is a English channel from Ishan Says. Yeah, I mean, this is the kind of challenge. If you're reacting to a song which is in English, you have to be in English, you know, throughout your video. I started off with Hindi, but I realized it and I'm like, yes, let's do it in English and let's finish this video in English now. And I don't know who the fuck is that guy to whom you're watching. So if I talk about the song, you know, the references, the flow, it was all heat up. You know, the frame, the visualizations, the direction of the video, the throne which he was sitting in, and the wine which has written over there Kalamkar. So I mean, that would be great if Kalamkar would present a wine too. I would buy one, yeah. and the writing skills of Krishna, that is damn amazing, and I told this thing in the previous video too when I reacted to the Hindi version of the song, that Emiway did the subliminal diss before also, and the last track Pagal Sa Ladka. What we will say Pagal Sa Ladka in English? A mad boy, you know, a crazy guy, So he used these subliminal things for Krishna and Avatar as well. So now Krishna is here with he's like straight away to Emiway's face now. He's like, say my name and see what happens then. So Emiway, if we are using this kind of subliminal list, and the other guy is right up there standing in front of you, and he's like, say my name now. Now you have to do it. Because you started it now, and he came up with the song, with a particular song for that thing, you know. And now it's Emiway's turn, and we want it. We as an audience, I believe Emiway audience also want it, because if you are doing it, you have to give the reply too, right? Because we have seen in the past that I think Emiway must have been ready with that, because we have seen in the past that, you know, when Samajh Mein Aaya came, and Emiway, you know, give a little bit of shots to Divine, Raftaar and MC Stan, yeah. And when Raftaar came, Emiway was ready. You know, when Sheikh Chilli came and Raftaar said in that song, he sung in that song that, you know, अब थोड़ा भी नहीं अभी म्यूट ही बोलेगा. So I believe that he must be thinking like, you know, Emiway won't be continuing this further, but Emiway came with the song, and then Raftaar came, and then ending was done by Emiway. So it was a great thing. And when it all started with Divine, so Emiway came up with the song, you know, he presented the last shot. So that was it. And now if he was giving a little bit of shots to Krishna, and now Krishna came, so I believe now Emiway should be coming to reply Krishna. I don't know, Emiway could tell this better. I'm just assuming, and I want it to happen. So I would like to know, and I would like to know from you guys what you think about it. Do you think the same way as I think? And if you like the video, I like the video, man. So I'll give thumbs up to this song, this video. If you like this video, if you like me reacting to this song, this video, please give a thumbs up and do share this video with all of your friends. And yes, it is on Saavn, the audio. It is on all the audio platforms, so I will be receiving a copyright claim. So I mean, can't do anything about it. That's cool. If you subscribe to this channel, and as you are an audience of music, you know, you like music, so you like hip hop. So there's a vlog which would be coming tomorrow in my vlog channel. I have given the link of that channel down below in the description box at the very top. So tomorrow there will be coming a vlog in which we are finding Vinod while shooting a video, a rap song, a hip hop song with a GoPro. So, and it is fun too, it is comedy, and you will thoroughly enjoy it. Trust me, from start to the end you will enjoy it. So please do subscribe it, because I want you guys to receive the notifications. So press the bell, subscribe this channel, and if you are not with me on Instagram, you're missing a lot of things. Not a lot of things, but some of the things, because day before yesterday I uploaded a video of Pagal Sa Ladka, you know, I uploaded on my reel, and that was pretty amazing. The people who watched it, they liked it. If you've not watched it, how will you like it? So do join me on Instagram, boys and girls too. And I'll meet you again soon with a new video. Till then, smile, be happy, respect others so that they could respect you, and boom.